It's an Accord. I don't remember the brand, but it's an Accord, I think. Yeah, something like that.
No problem. Just to clarify, is it a Honda Accord?
Oh
And
yeah,
can you
yeah.
tell me the
It's
year?
a Honda Accord and it's a 2024.
Got it. A 2024 Honda Accord. Are you looking for a conventional oil change or a synthetic oil change?
I
If you're not sure,
Yeah, I don't know. What's the difference?
good question. A conventional oil change uses standard oil, which is typically changed every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. A
Oh,
synthetic
okay.
oil
Yeah,
change
so
uses a
let's
higher quality oil that lasts
yeah,
longer.
let's go with the conventional. I don't want to spend too much.
Good. We'll go with the conventional oil change. When were you hoping to bring your Honda Accord in?